English Galician. I made equals.
fixen,
Master.
facer,
Fast. Welcome. Hey, happy to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Press play, smile, and let's make done happen, aka
facer,
the fun way. Your goal today. In just minutes, you'll master the past of to make, do, in Galician. Keep your ears open and repeat out loud. Targets. I made equals.
fixen,
You did equals.
fixeches,
She made equals.
ela fixo,
It made equals.
fixo,
We made equals.
fixemos,
They made equals.
eles fixeron,
Base verb equals.
facer,
Call and response. I say it in English, you fire back in Galician, big voice, tiny echo in your room. I made.
fixen,
Repeat. You did.
fixeches,
Repeat. She made.
ela fixo,
Repeat. It made a difference.
fixo,
Unha differenza. We made.
fixemos,
They made.
eles fixeron,
To make.
facer,
Mini dialogue. Listen in and catch each past form, then shadow the lines. A. Yesterday, we finished the cake.
fixemos,
Un bolo ante. B. Nice. You did the frosting?
fixeches,
A cobertura? A. She made the call for more strawberries.
ela fixo,
Unha chamada para mais amorosos. C. That mixer? It made a loud noise.
fixo,
Un ruido forte. A. In the end, they made the dishes disappear.
eles fixeron,
Os pratos, by washing them. B. Team spirit plus the verb to make.
facer,
Saves the day. Culture tip. A quick taste of Galicia for your memory palace. On the Camino de Santiago, after a long stage, someone might grin and say.
fixen,
When your plan finally makes sense, say.
fixo,
Sentido. And when you build something together, brag a little.
fixemos,
Isto knows. Quick quiz. Answer fast, I'll reveal it after the pause. Translate to Galician. They made. Answer.
eles fixeron,
How do you say, we made? Answer.
fixemos,
What's the infinitive, to make, do? Answer.
facer,
Say, you did. Answer.
fixeches,
Say, she made. Answer.
ela fixo,
Say, I made. Answer.
fixen,
Challenge. Your turn, create and speak. Say 3 lines out loud. 1. Yesterday, I made a call.
onte fixen,
Unha chamada. 2. Tell a friend, you did great.
fixeches,
Moi ben. 3. Celebrate the team.
fixemos,
Todo. Bonus. Drop the base verb in a sentence.
facer,
Single quote. Wrap up. Nice work, your Galician past tense power just leveled up. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
fixen, fixeches, ela fixo, fixo, fixemos, eles fixeron,
And.
facer.
For more bite-sized lessons, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.